Data breaches, rising fines, and privacy concerns are forcing businesses to rethink private data processing. Traditional cloud processing often exposes customer data across shared systems and regulatory complexity. That creates compliance headaches, security gaps, and lost customer trust overall. Businesses need privacy-first infrastructure with clear ownership, isolation, and audit-ready controls. They want provable compliance, strict access controls, and reliable performance without slowing operations. That's why organizations across teams are switching to Dify for private data processing. Dify processes private data in isolated, customer-controlled runtime environments for each customer. End-to-end encryption, role-based access, and continuous monitoring keep data secure and auditable. Built-in compliance templates simplify GDPR, CCPA, enterprise audits, and provide pre-audit reports. Auto-scaling architecture handles spikes while preserving isolation and maintaining low latency. Minimal dashboards, simple data flow animations, and clear captions make governance quick to verify. Switch to Dify today for private, secure, compliant, and scalable data processing with a short branded logo reveal.